Watch where you're going. Hi, girls. Wow, awesome. You're not scared anymore.
Go this way, go this way.
Why do I go faster?
Then we move across. I think the battery's running out. We have to charge it now.
You guys are so cute. Watch where you're going.
Yeah, the battery's gonna run out, but it's okay. We're gonna charge it, okay? You can ride it some more. Keep going, keep going.
Turn this way. Turn this way, baby.
Here towards mommy.
Okay, don't hit mommy.
Okay.
Good job. I'm so proud of you.
Is that okay? That's too fast? Is that okay?
Okay, watch where you're going. Oh, don't hit the tree. I hope Miss Shasta doesn't mind you're on her yard.
I'm gonna ride on the front now. I can ride on the front.
Watch where you going.
I'm ride on the front.
Okay, we'll take turns, baby. Okay,
Okay,
stop.
stop.
Let's take turns.
Put off the gas.
Good job, girls.
Why?
You wanna let Kayla do it by herself and then you do it by yourself?
Yeah.